I'd like to know how to properly bleed the clutch on an S197. I go crazy every time I do it. Well, welcome to the club. The way that Ford engineers did that, I think is kind of weird. I mean, there is no clutch bleeding system per se. When they first came out, what they recommend, they had this little vacuum pump thing. You set it on the top of the master cylinder, and you kept pumping it till all the air comes out. I mean, it's kind of silly in my view. But now when we go to when we change clutches and go to like the Tremix and performance and racing clutches, we use a release bearing that's bleedable. That has an extra little thing that comes out, so we can actually do just a proper bleed on it. But here are some things that we've tried and other people have tried. Just pumping it is kind of like what you have to do. Now we had one of our guys said he actually parks his car on a really steep slope and then pumps it to get the air out. But I mean that's about all you can do. The vacuum thing is what Ford recommends. Otherwise, it's just pumping. If somebody else has any other good ideas or has better experience, please let us know. I'd like to know, and I'm sure a lot of our other people would like to know.